This is a short demonstration on how you can build small dust cap using shrink sleeves. Shrink sleeve is 16 mm and you can take a minimum of 1 inch length of shrink sleeves. What normally happens is when we leave these connectors out for longer period of time without having the UHF plug connected to it, the dust gets settled. We can see that right now I have not used this connector for long. If I do not clean this with WD-40, what happens is the connections will not be properly made. One of the areas of improvement normally we will have to do is using the dust cap on this. Steel one or the plastic one which we get for this, normally not available in Indian market at least, or if we get also they are slightly expensive. If you want to build something which is very easy, you just have to take 1 inch long of these shrink sleeves of 16 mm diameter, cover the top like this and use any heat gun and try to shrink these sleeves. Use any pliers and squeeze the ends. It gets flattened out. Now it has got small opening, but that opening can be filled by multiple heating, or you can also put some hot glue inside and close that particular gap. You have made a plug like this, and this plug can be used anytime in your field or any other time when you want to store your SO239 or UHF female connector or any other connector for that matter. You can use the same technique for making some of these caps and keep it ready. Now similar thing happens to these PL259 connectors which are on the coax side, and very importantly when we are using coaxes with these connectors in the field, what happens is you have to unroll the coax, leaving these ends on the ground. It will accumulate mud or dust or water and things like that, and we have to protect them. Normally what I do is put a insulation tape on this and keep it. We can use the same shrink sleeve cap method here as well. In this case we will have to use 20 mm shrink sleeve and approximately 2 inches long. What we'll have to do is we'll have to insert these sleeves up to the edge of this connector outer shell. So we'll have to insert the sleeves up to this point. So let us do that. So this will actually be helpful in preserving the connector. Just be careful to heat on the lower side first. So now heat it appropriately and quickly use your plier as I did earlier to squeeze it. Give squeeze multiple times, multiple places as well till the end. It is extremely useful hack, and so it is slightly, see, if you want to remove, you have to use slight pressure. It's not so it is not easy to come out as well, and it is very well suited for the field operation or preserving the coax when you are not using it. Thank you for watching.